Hi, I'm Ryan from Basil Food Journal, and welcome to our channel if it's your first time here, or welcome back if it's your second, third, or fourth. And today we're going to be making dairy-free tortillas. And actually, the joke kind of is that all tortillas are usually dairy-free if you use vegetable shortening or margarine or anything like that, because it usually is from palm oil instead of anything relating to dairy or milk. So to get started, we add our dry ingredients to the mixer. So first we have 2.5 cups of flour. I think it's 380 grams of just all-purpose flour. Now these are flour tortillas, let me be clear. They aren't corn tortillas, not authentic corn tortillas, but more so following an authentic flour tortilla recipe. And here we have salt and baking powder, a teaspoon of both, and you can kind of just mix them up like that. And then we're going to add our veggie shortening. There we go. I'm going to put it in the mixer. Work it out until you have a perfect bowl. You can use a pizza cutter, that works too. Doesn't really matter. There we go. It really doesn't have to be perfect. And now you can take these, and what you're going to do is just roll them in your hand like that, and there we go, with all of our little guys here. And I'm going to take this wet, damp paper towel that I have and just drape it over these little dudes for about 5 minutes, just so they rest in the shape they are now. So when we roll them out, they don't have any lines from the previous cutting of the dough, or they don't have any breakage or overlap. So now I'll just leave those for 5 minutes and we'll be back. So what you want to do is roll in the direction that you want it to grow. So because we're looking at this right now, right? It's an oval. We want to stretch out these sides to make it a perfect circle. So what I'm going to do is take my rolling pin and I'm going to roll it in the direction that I want it to go. Non-perfect. And then you're going to want this pan to be roll hot. Back, and we made tortillas and they are awesome. I'm so pleased. I'm definitely going to take a bite. I would be lying if I said I didn't already eat one, but you can see they're super thin, really sturdy, and almost still a little bit bounce back there. And then when you pull them apart, just like that. Let us know in the comments if you successfully flipped a tortilla, if you lost a tortilla to the floor, and I think those are really, or if anything got burned. I am curious. Leave us a comment and let us know, did you try to flip a tortilla for the first time? Did it land up on the floor? Did you have to scrap the whole thing? Did you end up ordering Mexican food? Let us know. And if you could subscribe, that would mean a lot. We're trying to get to 500. So I've been Ryan, and this is Basil Food Journal, and these have been tortillas.